Hello Samir, hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. Thank you for asking me. What about you?
Yes, I'm also fit and fine. Thank you. Okay,
It's nice to meet you, dear.
same here. What are you doing now? What is going there?
Yeah, nothing like I have some time, so I thought just spend with the strangers. So right now I'm connecting with you. I'm talking with you, and I think my day will be going fantastic. So let's see that how do I make my good day. Yeah.
Okay, nice, nice. I also, so before having a conversation with us, I would like to know your brief introductions.
Yeah, of course, of course, of course. Like, first thing, my name is Sameer, and I'm calling from Mumbai. And if you talk about these days, so I'm searching a job in airline department. And my study, like already, I'm a graduate person. I done my degree in BCom stream. Then after that, I done also like one kind of diploma course, aviation and hospitality. Then after that, I have a 1 year experience as a hotel sector. Okay, in a front office. That was amazing for me. That was changed my totally life, like how to work, how to make a career. I understand over there, seriously, it was amazing for me. Then after that, lockdown started and I fired myself, like manager say that you have to stay at home. So approximately 1.5 year has gone, nothing call, nothing. I'm right now I'm searching, and yeah, I'm enjoying my life. And second thing, like I have a YouTube channel, and I'm making a videos with the stranger. I'm enjoying, I'm improving about English language, and yeah, I'm happy with my life.
Wow, great, really.
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone should have just happy with your life. Don't regret and don't be blame anyone as like you. Okay, so yeah, tell me something about your English journey.
My English journey, we can say, like I started 8 to 9 months ago, and when I was beginner, that moment I wasn't able to talk with anyone. We can say I was feeling afraid, shy, and low confidence. I was thinking about like how people they are speaking very well. How do they do that? What is their format? What is their structure? I was confusing too much. Then I found like you know if we practice regular basis, then we will get the idea, we will get a fluency. Then I try to talk, I try to interact with people lots of, we can say, like to 200 300. I called, I tried, and I talk only for voice call. Then after that, like I shifted about video call, because whenever we try to audio call, that moment you could be mastered, but you will never able to talk in front of people like real people, because
Right.
before you didn't face. So I tried, and whenever come to situation like real people, that moment I feel too stuck, and that moment I feel to like empty my mind blank. So I found like why I am feeling like that. Then some people suggest me, Samir, like if you try to talk video call and with real people, then definitely your confidence will like improving, and you can make a good confidence, because you know that what is a real conversation. Right now we are having a video call, so I'm observing you, you are observing me. We are giving a good expression, eye contact, body language, so we can learn many things. But before this thing, I was just speaking on cell phone or voice calling. So that moment we couldn't, I couldn't learn proper. Then I tried to make a video call, I tried to record myself, I tried to watch a movie, I tried to listen a podcast. Many things I did in my life, seriously. In last month, we can say approximately 8 to 9 months has gone regular basis. I do practice too much. Whole day I try to think English, whole day I try to talk with stranger, whole day whatever I do, immediately I do not translate. First thing, I try to talk English, I try to think directly English. So this is
Yes.
my plus point, and we can say this is my English journey. Still now I'm beginner, I'm trying to I'm working myself. And I
Yes.
hate the reading part, I don't like that, I don't believe a grammar, I don't believe a reading. only for I believe a conversation, simple conversation, because simple make us stronger. So
Yes.
always I believe a conversation. Yeah.
Fantastic. Nice to hear this. That is something new for me. And you don't like grammar part, you don't like reading part, but you are speaking smoothly and you like only conversation. So that is new things. And I think if people just follow it, so it will be also good for them. Because yeah, we knew about that grammar is most important. Okay, it's important, but we don't need to go in depth. I think we just have some basic knowledge, as like you, and you are today just talking smoothly. So wow, that's great. Okay,
See,
so
one thing I'm like everything is everything is impossible. Nothing is. We can say one idioms I learned. I don't remember what was that. Like everything is easy if you feel crazy. If you crazy, nothing is
I've
easy if you lazy. So it's depend on you. Like if you passionate about to do something, then you can. Otherwise,
definitely.
if you hate your job, if you do not feel too happy and you are trying to do work, so you will never get a chance, you will never get a success, and you will never master on this thing. So it's very
Definitely.
important. Passionate is very important. Yeah.
Well said. I also have heard this line, and I also uploaded this line in a short in my YouTube channel. So yeah, that's yeah, which is going in our mind, and that is correct. We are doing, I think, in a right way. So yeah, Samir, I just wanted to let your opinion about this era, because we are in modern era. Okay, so what is your opinion on modern and ancient era? Which you would like to prefer, and which will be better, and which you want to more better? Ancient or modern era? What do you
Okay.
think?
See, I don't have a more knowledge about this thing, but I can share with you like in modern generation and like previous generation. Like if we talk about in this day, like lots of, I mean, in this day we can say everything convert to digital marketing, like online procedure. Everywhere is like marketing, online procedure. Even people are doing job in online. People are working in online. So modern generation, and we get lots of facility, lots of instrument we can access easily anywhere anytime.
Right.
If you talk about our education also, like totally change in this day. People are giving exam online through, maybe you know that. And if you talk about long time ago, people were just trying to go visit a school section, college section, then physically and mentally they write a paper. But totally change in this day, totally change.
Right.
Like
Right.
right now we are here, we can work with out of country, we can talk with easily video calling, audio calling. So this is, we can say like generation is change.
Right.
And if you talk about, yeah, tell me. Mhm.
Don't you think in this modern era, okay, everything we have a lot of facilities, but people are so stressed. Many people are doing, suicide and depressed. So this is, I think, disadvantage. This is
Yeah, maybe disadvantage, we can highlight this point. Like it's long time ago, like if you talk about one factory, so over
yes,
there lots of people are working mentally and physically, and they fit and fight. Like we can say try to work, they try to work around like 100 people, just assume there are 100 people. But if you talk about in modern generation, like machine came, new technical came, new technique came, new idea came. So 100 people, it's owner reduce, like they just hire very few people because depend on machine. So we can say we lost many things about like fitness, about idea, about people also. That's why region in this day we are getting a too much problem about job, because already machine came, new technical came, so it's not necessary to like a person.
yes.
So that's why we
Competition.
are getting lots of problem about regarding job, because lots of company never hire a good candidate and never hire a like fit and fight candidate, we can say in this day.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
So
because
I
of new technique, new machine.
Yes.
And whenever you know, if we talk about like it's long time ago, people were sharp. Like whenever they try to give an exam, so they
Yes.
wrote down own answer, they calculate, they calculate like a self. But in
Yes.
this generation, like whenever we give an exam, accounting exam, we just use a calculator. We do
Yes.
not
Right.
press our mind, we do not enforce ourselves, like just try to calculate ourselves. Whenever we try, then we will learn more idea, more knowledge, and we will work many things. But in this generation, seriously, we forget, we lost many things. We do not use our mind, we always depend on internet. We
Internet.
immediately Google, we immediately find a like new thing immediately. We do not try to do exercise with our mind.
People
That's
have,
why.
I think, no patience nowadays because
Yeah.
they have not any patience because no, they want every response quick response they want, and
Yeah.
due to this quick response, they also suffer from many problems. But as you say, like they are little bit lazy because this is allowed to just use calculator in examination hall. So yeah, I also wanted to say that as like our body, we have to do exercise, so our mind is also like that. If
Yes.
we just train it and do exercise more and more thinking about anything, so this is also so trained, okay, and it will be sharp, and you will be able to just think and do anything very easily. So this is I think so important. And in your point of view, I think you like this modern era generation. So yeah, we are in modern era, so definitely we would like this. And ancient times was also good as their place. So just, but I want to just share that in ancient time people were so happy rather than now, because that
Yes.
time no depression, no stress like these things. So yeah,
It's
but
old people, they were enjoying a life in that moment. If you talk about, they alive, like 100 years, 120 years. But in this generation, no anyone alive like 50 plus, 60 plus immediately. Like we can say it's environment change, totally environment change.
sis-
That's why in this generation, this modern generation, we can say like we could not alive more than like 60 plus, 70 plus, 80 plus, like
yeah,
that.
this is a drastic transformation. Yeah, drastic. This is a drastic transformation which will happen nowadays.
See, if we talk about advantages, so lots of advantage in modern
Yes.
generation, and lots of disadvantage also, like especially time. We
Yes.
can save time, we can use time, and we can waste of time also. So depend on ourselves, like how we use, how to consume this thing. Lots of advantage also and lots of disadvantage also. So we could not say like what is a good and what is a bad. Yeah.
Okay, okay, nice, well said. And you give nice information. I think viewers and we also had some idea for ancient time and the modern era. Okay, Samir, so connect later. And for that, this all conversation was magnificent with you, right?
No problem. It's my pleasure. Like whatever I have, I can share with you. And seriously, like before I told you, I believe a conversation, if we discuss about more, we will gain our knowledge. You know, yeah. So depend on us how do we get the knowledge, how do we go proper way. But that was amazing conversation, like modern generation and old generation. We can see it's amazing. Yeah. But I prefer to modern. Okay. I prefer to modern.
Definitely, no problem. We are in modern generation, so we would prefer it
Yeah.
and keep it go and very well. Okay, nice to talk to you, and that was really awesome conversation with you. See you later. And for
Uh,
this, have
uh,
a nice.
Thank you very much for connecting with me, and have a nice day. Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye.
See you.